Ladies and gents, welcome back. No introductions needed. A lot of you know where I am. A lot of you recognize this place. No longer in Dubai. Just here for a few days and then I'll jet back to the Middle East. But with that being said, I want to drop this video. I want to tell you guys exactly what you need to know. And this video will help you in making up your decision whether you will be a successful trader or give up trading altogether. And knowledge is very important when it comes to succeeding at a specific industry. So make sure to listen to what I'm about to say. Guys, couple of things that everybody needs to know. First thing first, you will lose money in your first 1 to 2 years. That's a given, right? The day trading industry is not designed for day traders, everybody to be successful at. Because, let's just be real here, we're speculating when day trading. And although we can find an edge, although we can find a specific strategy that increases the odds of us succeeding, but the way the market is set up is the more we expose ourselves to the market, the more risk of giving back the money. And that's the reality of day trading, is you will make money, but you end up giving it back. And that's where it becomes, or basically the statistics of 95% of people lose money is from that fact. The fact that, they might be good traders, but because they're constantly exposing their capital to the market, the odds of them giving it back and the market taking it back increase. Now, guys, day trading, or the industry of day trading, just like cryptocurrency, it's speculative, but why isn't it banned? Why don't government just go out there and say, you know what, a lot of people are losing their money, let's just ban it? Well, because the day trading industry, everybody makes money except the trader. Because it's an industry, right? You get the brokers, you get the platforms, you get the influencers, and everybody's paying taxes. So you have this great economy that basically 10% of it comes from financial assets and whatnot. And you're not going to take 10% of this economy away. So that's why it's not banned. But countries like the US, Belgium, offer limitations to protect their citizens. And a lot of people think that's a bad thing when you have PDT in the US. Well, it's not a bad thing, because really it's protecting you from entering the realm of gambling. And that's my next point. Day trading can put you into a mindset of a gambler, right? See, if you make money and then you lose money, instantly you say to yourself, it's possible. I've made money. I can recoup it. See, what just happened was the market gave you and showed you that, hey, there is money involved. But then you gave it back because you were exposing yourself constantly to the market. Now, you've entered a gambling realm where really you're saying to yourself, it's possible, I can make money. And you're constantly chasing your own tail. So what ends up happening here is you're entering this gambler's mentality where you're constantly trying to recoup and recoup and recoup and recoup. And that in turn, because as we discussed in the first point, you're exposing yourself to the market, you keep giving back and giving back and giving back. And my next point goes to this. Regardless of your strategy, regardless of what you use, what trading style, what strategy, what methodology, you're still going to be entering a gambler's mentality. You're still going to be giving back to the market because you're predictable, right? The fact is, this thing is emotional, and emotions will, influence your decisions when it comes to trading. And I see nowadays a lot of people coming out with new strategies, approaches. Listen, I've been in this industry for a long time and I've seen it all. And the reality is, if everything is being shown to you and everybody's using it, well, what does that make you as a trader? It makes you predictable. When you're predictable, somebody else knows the same thing. As a matter of fact, they've known it for years and decades. What you know today, it's already been known. And that's why if you want to be a successful trader, you got to be unpredictable. You got to be trading an orthodox way. And that's something a lot of people don't understand. You could be the best guy with your technicals, and nothing's wrong with that. It could be, college grade, but it's predictable. Everybody knows. Everybody knows how you're going to trade. And you'll notice when you're trading Forex indices, there's all these liquidities, there's always fake outs. And that's because, they know where your stop losses are. They know where you're putting your stop losses. They know where you're going to put your take profits. So you're very predictable. And that's the next point. Greed. Everybody wants to go for the home runs. Listen, we've entered a market where home runs, it's almost like if you aim for a home run, you're asking for trouble. Because the market we're in today is not 2021's market or 2020 market. This is a different market. This is a market I actually started making videos in. And everything I used to say when I first started a YouTube channel is everything we see today. You know, the trend changes happen within seconds. You will get caught out. So, do not aim for home runs. Aim to be unpredictable. Do not expose yourself too much. Do not get into the gambler's mentality, and you will, everybody will, right? Everybody will enter this gambler's realm. So you gotta be very careful of how you trade and how you approach and your plan, sticking to your plan. The market will give you opportunities constantly. We don't care about the market's opportunities. We want to get in, make our target, and walk away. That's what really will, give you that success and consistency. But emotions is a big part of this, and I think a lot of people are not emotionally capable of it. Matter of fact, you can make more swing trading than you do day trading. But if you can pin down day trading, you can make more than any swing trader, right? That's the reality. But that's all I wanted to say here, guys. There is a couple of things that you're not aware of in this market. The fact is, a lot of people will lose money. They will see money, but they will give it back. And the fact is, a lot of people enter a gambler's mentality because they just start chasing their own tails. And, you might be pinning down the strategy, but you can't pin down the emotions and you can't control yourself. And strategy without control or self-control is nothing. Everything works. Every technical or whatever approach to the market works. You press one button, you can make profit, but you're not happy with it. You want to continue doing it and exposing yourself. And that's why there's a saying where it goes, just make your money and fold the shop. But we don't want to fold the shop because, what is 500 a day to us? What is 100 to us? What is 1,000 to us when you're making it in 2 seconds? And that's the way the market works. So you got to look deep into your soul, look deep into yourself if you want to be consistent and profitable, and talk to yourself, form a plan. And just remember, everything works in the market, but it's not the strategy. It's actually the fact that you're in an environment that is constantly given, that is constantly allowing you to win, well, majority of it, and showing you can do this, where it sucks you in and traps you. And that's something you gotta understand if you want to see some success. Guys, that's me done. I'll see you next time. Peace and love as always, and I appreciate you for watching. Peace.